In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Twitter. First, open the X app on your mobile device or the website on your computer. If you are using a mobile device, tap the app icon. If you are on a computer, simply navigate to the Twitter website. Once the app or website loads, sign in with your username and password. This step is crucial because you need to access your account to make any changes to your privacy settings. After entering your credentials, you will see your Twitter feed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate through the settings more easily. Next, look for the menu icon. On mobile devices, this is usually in the top left corner, represented by an icon with three horizontal lines. If you are on a computer, you can find the menu on the left side of the screen. Tap or click on this menu icon to reveal a list of options. From this list, locate and select Settings and Privacy. This is where you will find all the settings related to your account, including privacy, security, and notifications. Accessing this menu is a key step towards customizing your Twitter experience to fit your privacy needs. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, find and select Privacy and Safety. This section will allow you to configure various aspects of your account's privacy. It is essential to go through these settings because they determine who can see your tweets, who can send you messages, and how discoverable your account is. The available options will help you tailor your privacy to your liking, ensuring that you are comfortable with how your information is shared on the platform. Now you will see several privacy settings to choose from, such as audience and tagging, direct messages, discoverability and contacts, and content you see. Each of these categories holds various controls that let you fine-tune your privacy options. For instance, you can decide who can see your tweets or whether you want to allow others to tag you in their posts. Understanding these categories is crucial as it enables you to safeguard your personal information and maintain your comfort while using Twitter. Next up, select the privacy setting you want to change. For example, if you want to adjust who can see your tweets, tap on Audience and Tagging. This will show you options related to your audience, including whether your posts are public or protected. By carefully choosing your audience settings, you can manage who engages with your content. This is an important consideration for anyone looking to maintain a specific level of privacy on social media. After choosing the setting you want to change, turn the desired settings on or off. For instance, if you want to protect your posts, toggle the switch next to Protect Your Posts to the on position. This action will ensure that only your approved followers can see your tweets. Changes made here are generally saved automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your adjustments. To make your posts private, remember to go to Privacy and Safety, then select Audience and Tagging. Here, you will find the option to turn on Protect Your Posts easily. This step is vital because it gives you control over who can view your content. Once you activate this setting, you will see a confirmation indicating that your tweets are now protected. You can feel more secure knowing that your posts are only visible to those you trust. In conclusion, adjusting your privacy settings on Twitter is straightforward. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your online presence. This empowers you to enjoy a safer Twitter experience tailored to your preferences. Thank you for watching and happy tweeting.